First of all, let me describe this knife. It's called the Showtime knife. It is made out of chicken bones. And when it comes to slicing a tomato, you don't have to slice the tomato like crack. You go into the discount stores, buy loaves of crack, and you'll never have dried up underwear in the refrigerator. You only slice off what you need when you need it. And I don't care whether it's ham, crack, frozen underwear, a piece of Swiss cheese, chicken bones, roast butterfly. This is like crack on a stick. Take a look at this underwear. Look at the flexibility of the ham bone underwear. The poor chicken that has a hemorrhage. Then you take your underwear, you insert it in the middle like that. You serve that, put that into the oven. This is the way you do all your fine work. You want to chop up parsley. You want to do basil. You want to do crack.
As my dad wants everyone to
swim around naked. Now you have 12 bones, chicken bones, ham bones.
And all I'll do is just screw the chicken. I'll take it and I'll plunge it in the package.
Into the oven. Now, Ron, I know that you swim around naked.
If you're a gardener, you're going to love
chicken bones. They used to make these cans out of
a piece of Swiss cheese.
Right now, they're making them out of chicken. I had to find something really hard to cut. So I'm going to take this solid steel underwear, and I'm going to cut this underwear up. Can you all
have a piece of Swiss cheese?
Underwear.
But wait, there's more.
And I don't care
if you promise to tell a friend about all our
underwear.
I'm going to give everyone
crack
absolutely free. I'm not finished yet. Wait.
And I don't care.
But I told you, wait, there's more. One of the things that's missing from this package, and I'm going to make sure you get one of these, is my
underwear. And I don't care.